Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to the Agago Pulse, your weekly breakdown of the stories that shape our district. I'm your host, and if you thought your week was hectic, wait until you hear what ULS 5 chairperson Wilson Otto has been up to from Tuesday the 14th to Friday the 18th. Otto pulled off a masterclass in aggressive lobbying. Let's be honest for a second. In Uganda, physically getting into the same room with a top government minister is next to impossible. Most leaders travel to Kampala only to get stuck at the reception, eventually settling for a quick chat with the permanent secretary. But this week, Wilson Otto bypassed the red tape and secured 5 massive face-to-face meetings with the country's biggest power players. Let us break down the tape on a week that has citizens in neighboring districts wishing they could copy and paste Agago's leadership. We kick off on the security front. Otto sat down with the Inspector General of Police himself, AIGP Byakagaba. As you know, the government is rolling out a directive of 15 police officers per sub-county, and it was part of Otto's manifesto. That sounds great on paper, but where does they sleep? Otto didn't just ask for security. He went to secure concrete support for constructing decent accommodation for these officers. The meeting was a massive success, charting a clear path forward to make sure our sub-counties are both heavily policed and properly equipped.
To all chairpersons of LC5 and all honorable councillors and the speaker of the district and the city and the mayor, all of you are hereby informed that before 30th of August, all districts must have service commission in place to ensure we fill the gaps. We have close to 800 jobs already filled, and also we have so many people in acting capacity in most of the districts. Some people acting up to 9, 11 years, 12 years. This is unacceptable. So we should fill those service commission positions and committees before 30th of August. Failure shall use the nearby service commission, the next list to make yours do the job for you, so that the government doesn't close out on service delivery.
Setting the national standard. Next up was a high-stakes meeting with State Minister Balaam Bakenyi. Now Balaam has been on a whirlwind anti-corruption campaign across the country. He paused his tour specifically to meet with our LC5 chairperson. Get this, the discussion went so well that Balaam actually used Agago as the blueprint for a nationwide directive. Following his chat with Otto, Balaam declared that district service commissions must be fully formed across Uganda and local roads properly named, all before the August 30th deadline. Agago isn't just following national standards. This week, Agago set them. But leadership isn't just about administrative rules. It's about empathy. The district has been hit hard by a brutal drought, and families are feeling the squeeze. Otto took this fight straight to the Ministry of Disaster Preparedness, meeting with Ministers Aber, Lillian, and Angola. He didn't just show up with empty complaints. Otto brought me raw video footage from the villages, hard statistics, and an emotional, compelling plea for immediate food relief. He made the government feel the weight of Agago's hunger. The result, the ministry officially agreed to step in and send food relief to the people of Agago district. The lobbying didn't stop at food and security, but also secured a vital meeting with Dr. Chris Baryomunsi to tackle the pressing health challenges facing Agago. The core of their discussion, the state of our health infrastructure, specifically pushing for much needed support, staffing, and resources for Patao Health Center 4. Otto made it clear that our people deserve quality health care close to home, and getting the ministry's direct attention on Patao is a massive step toward improving medical services across the district. Now, on securing Gago's wallet, finally, Otto capped off his week with the biggest meeting of them all. Early on Friday morning, he secured a sit-down with the Minister for Finance, Planning and Economic Development. Otto sent a direct message to the community right after, and I want to read it for you verbatim. Good morning, the people of Agago. This morning, I held a productive meeting with the Minister of Finance, Planning and Economic Development to discuss the U-Gift funding gaps and the wage bill for Agago District. I remain committed to engaging the relevant ministries to ensure our district receives the support it deserves. Together, we shall continue working for a better Agago. They explicitly tackled the critical U-Gift funding gaps for our 6 secondary schools, sorted out the district wage bills, and cleared residual areas. 5 days, 5 massive victories for security, governance, food relief, healthcare, and education. That is how you advocate for your people. That's all for today's episode. Keep pushing, stay hopeful, and let's keep working for a better community. See you next time we meet.